All right, this is just gonna be a short video. I got a little short I'm gonna put out. So the instructions say you've got 3 steps for this. You've got step 1, your oxidizer remover. You basically wanna wash the headlight, and then you take the oxidizer remover, rub it on there until it turns yellow, get a new pad. Rub it on there until it turns yellow, get a new pad. Rub it on there until it turns yellow, get a new pad. Rub it on there until it turns yellow, get a new pad. All right, then you're gonna rinse it. After that, you move to step 2. You got 3,000 grit, 2,000 grit, 3,000 grit, 2,000 grit. So I guess we got 1 headlight, 2 headlight. All right, so we're gonna start with 2, then we're gonna go to 3. All right, then you're gonna go to step 3, which is a sealer. So we'll try it. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna wash them real quick and see how they turn out. First we're gonna wash it. Give it a little scrub-a-dubs. Use the old microfiber side. I get the other one too, but I'm not going to show that, you know what I'm saying? Next thing we're going to do is adorn our gloves. And listen, I'm going to tell y'all what. I get made fun of at work all the time because I've got like little lady hands. So if y'all got big hands, you might want to get your own gloves. These gloves are tight. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of the oxidizer remover. Whoa. Now the instructions say, put on supplied gloves. Check. Using an oxidization remover wipe, rub on each headlight in a circular scrubbing motion on all 3 areas of the lens. During this process, any oxidization in the lens will be extracted and the whole wipe may turn yellow. Okay, we're just gonna scrub these things. We'll see if they get yellow. Oh yeah, get rid of the oxidization. The smell is good, not great. It's beginning to turn slightly yellow. All right, now we're moving on to step 2. We got the pad. It's the 2,000 grit. It says on the instructions, start with it. It says to lube it with water and just start rubbing on it. Not in a circular motion. It specifies not a circular motion. And it says you want to do this for about 2 minutes. Ooh, baby. Now I've got the green pad, the 3,000 grit, and I'll do the same thing. I'm gonna set a timer on my watch for 3 minutes. All right, that's step 2 complete. I went over it with the 3,000 grit, then the 2,000 grit, and it's hard to see, but I don't know if this is like the factory clear that's still on here. There's a little bit here, and then there's some on the sides. It's very smooth, very, very smooth. But that's step 2 done. Okay, step 2 complete. 3,000, 2,000, looking good, looking rough. Okay, adorned my second pair of gloves that they sent. Then what the instructions say is for step 3, put on second pair of clean gloves, pow. Open one of the Cerakote ceramic coat wipes. Apply only a single coat, moving horizontally from top to bottom. Carefully wipe the coating in a single direction using a 50% overlap technique. Okay. Allow 60 minutes for it to dry before exposing to moisture. So let's see how it goes. This one's dry. Big nice towelette. And we're going to go top to bottom with a 50% overlap. I don't know if that's quite 50%. Boy, I hope this stuff levels because that got heavy right there. And that's it. I mean, it does look really good. Looks really good. If I get close to it though, I can see a ton of imperfections. So there's some really hard to see on the camera scratches and cuts, and I think it's like some factory clear that was left. So I really think that if you were to take the time and get like some maybe a little bit rougher than 2000, maybe 1000 grit. And I mean, just really go over this thing really good. Basically do it the old school way. 1000 grit, 2000 grit. I've seen people even go to 800. But it really, the 2000 that came with this kit, I don't think was enough to really get in there and knock off what was left of the factory clear. Hey, for $16 and it took me maybe an hour, I'm filming and piddle paddling and talking to my girls and, you know, doing other stuff. Turned out pretty good. Overall, I'm happy with it because this whole top right here was pretty much yellow, and I'm gonna let it go, see how it does. Hey, appreciate everything. Hope y'all are having a fun snow day. Enjoy. We'll see y'all next time. Culp Extraction Depot. Peace be with you.